seen my face before, my name is Safiyah. Welcome to my channel. Today is October 2nd and it's currently 10 a.m. and we're just going to be doing a little reset for the month, trying to get more into a routine and build some better habits, and that's what we're doing in today's video. So I haven't really done much yet today. I've dropped my siblings to school, came home, showered, put a load in the machine, which we're actually about to go switch right now, and that's pretty much it. I don't have too much planned for today. It's pretty much just going to be a chill day, but I decided to bring you guys along, see what we do, but it should be good. So let's go change this load real quick. Hey, so I'm hungry. We're about to find something to eat real quick. I know we got some fruit, strawberries, some grapes. We're currently watching the Realist podcast.
Okay. Oh, also, I'm gonna try to not. Oh, I look at some goals they're on my bed, and I didn't know that. Also, I will be placing an Amazon purchase for. Anyway. Sometime in September while I'm recording. My discipline too, because half the time I don't want to go. Fine, when you get out of I'm excited because and look like okay, I'm not gonna so much that I can put y'all on to help you guys with, and I want to keep gating. I literally just did a rabbit hole. I've literally been on YouTube watch self-improvement videos, and I freaking think we're gonna be talking about not only where I've been, what to believe that one's success is deserved or has been legit. And other thank you for giving me the strength to pull myself out, because I know that for others it's harder. Negative feeds negative just as much as positive feeds positive. So I'm over here going down a freaking rabbit hole of just negativity, negative thoughts, and the only thing that I really be suffering or struggling with is coming up with an example. Even in my outline, I'm struggling with it. I finished writing in my little book for the day, and I'm also finishing up this podcast episode. My first load was done in the dryer, so we're about to fold this real quick. It is 11:25, and honestly this is my first time on my phone for the day, which I love. As I said earlier, I am trying to build a routine for myself. I'm trying to have my phone in the routine less. So for it to be 11 o'clock and it's my first time really on my phone, feels good. But I'm gonna fold this load. I just took it out of the dryer. Another thing that I should start doing is folding my clothes right away. So if I don't fold it right away, then it will sit in the basket for who knows how long. I completely forgot that I plugged my wax in this morning. I probably plugged this in around 10:30 this morning. It's 12:40, but I wanted to wax my pits, but I need more strips. I literally only have 2. We're just gonna have to make it work. Battery died, so I had to rip it, but we're gonna do the next one real quick.
An apology is. She doesn't even know where to begin with that. I always wondered, I was like, why is she giving Cleo such a hard time? Is it because she has feelings for
Hi guys, so it is the next day. Yesterday the vibes just kind of just went down and then I ended up just chilling for the rest of the day, honestly. Now we have dishes to wash.
It's gonna have.
Okay guys, dishes are done. We're organizing this cupboard. This is a Tupperware cupboard. We got some new Tupperware. So we're gonna empty this out, wipe it out, and we'll see what ends up going back in there.
Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is faster. Whichever one is in a hassle. Oh, damn, yeah, man. Oh, never knew, no, I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you into everything I'm into. Oh, I got something that I could lend you. Oh, a piece of mind, baby, come and get a piece of mind. Yeah. Say you gotta work from 3 to 9. Oh, I get you home by a decent time. Wait, fuck your bed, you can sleep in mine. Yeah, let's make it happen, girl, I need some time. Speaking of time.
So if you didn't know, my birthday is coming up. The day I'm filming this is Tuesday, October 3rd, and my birthday is at the end of the month on the 29th. I honestly was unsure on what I wanted to do for my birthday and if I wanted to do anything for my birthday this year, but we've snapped out of it. And I decided I'm gonna have a party. Nothing too crazy, but I just ordered my outfit. I don't know if I should show you guys. I'm excited. It says it should come by the 13th, I think. So hopefully it comes even earlier. And honestly, it kind of just has to fit nice and has to look good because it's from Fashion Nova. And if you know anything about Fashion Nova, they don't do full refunds. You only get store credit back. So it better look good. I definitely am going to be filming my whole birthday process. We're going to have a prep and a vlog of the night, hopefully. I tried to do that last year and I filmed a whole prep, never edited it, and then I filmed a little bit on the actual day too. Like I didn't fully vlog, I just got like a few clips here and there. But yeah, neither of those videos ended up making it onto the internet. This year I've already been on my content, so you're definitely gonna be seeing those videos, a little prep vlog and the birthday vlog. But thank you guys so much for watching this week's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram and TikTok to get triple the content from me, and I'll see you guys next week Friday with another new video. Bye.